Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler oil. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure to have 6 quarts of the correct engine oil and a new oil filter ready. Always perform this task on a level surface with a slightly warm engine for optimal oil flow and safety. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Slide your drain pan under the Jeep's oil pan directly below the drain plug. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out of your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate and remove the old oil filter using your filter wrench. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Don't forget to reinstall and securely tighten your drain plug. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Remove the oil fill cap, usually located on top of the engine. Carefully pour in the 6 quarts of new recommended engine oil. Once all the oil is in, replace the fill cap securely. Start your Jeep and let it run for about 1 minute. Then turn it off, wait a few minutes and check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's within the proper range. Also, check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.